Have you ever wondered why Germany has chosen Jurgen Klopp as its new national team head coach? After years of mixed performances and disappointing results in major tournaments, German football has decided it's time for a fresh start. One of the most respected managers in modern football has now been given the chance of the responsibility to lead one of the biggest football nations in the world. In today's video, we'll explain the full story, why Germany made this important decision, what Klopp brings to the team, and what fans can expect in the future. Jurgen Klopp has built a reputation as one of the finest football managers of the generation. His coaching journey began in Germany, where he achieved great success with Borussia Dortmund. Under his leadership, Dortmund became one of the strongest clubs in Europe, winning Bundesliga titles and reaching the UEFA Champions League final. His exciting attacking style of football and ability to develop young players earned him worldwide recognition. Later, Klopp joined Liverpool and completely transformed the club. When he arrived, Liverpool have been waiting many years to return to the top of English and European football. Through hard work, smart tactics, and excellent leadership, Klopp rebuilt the team into one of the strongest sides in the world. During his time there, Liverpool won the Premier League, the UEFA Champions League, the FIFA Club World Cup, and several other major trophies. Most importantly, he created a winning mentality that made Liverpool competitive in every competition. Because of this success, Klopp became one of the most respected coaches in football. His teams are known for playing with high energy, quick pressing, fast attacking football, and strong teamwork. He also has a special ability to motivate players and build confidence within the squad. Many football experts believe these qualities are exactly what Germany needs right now. In recent years, Germany has struggled to meet the high standards that fans expect. Although the country continues to produce talented footballers, the national team has lacked consistency. There have been disappointing performances in major international tournaments, and many supporters felt that the team has lost its identity and confidence. German football officials wanted someone who could rebuild the squad, create a clear playing style, and inspire both experienced players and the young generation. After carefully considering their options, they believed Jurgen Klopp was the perfect choice. One of the biggest reasons behind this appointment is Klopp's leadership. Throughout his career, he has shown that he knows how to build a strong team spirit. His players often speak about the trust he gives them and the positive atmosphere he creates inside the dressing room. The relationship is extremely valuable for the national team, where coaches have limited time to prepare players before important matches. Another important reason is his tactical knowledge. Klopp has coached against some of the best teams and managers in the world for many years. His experience at the highest level gives him a deep understanding of modern football. Germany hopes he can use that experience to build a balanced team that plays attractive and successful football. Klopp also understands German football better than almost anyone. Having worked for many years in the Bundesliga before achieving international success, he knows the country's football culture, its development style and system, and many of the players who are now part of the national setup. This gives him an advantage as he begins his new role. However, this new challenge will not be easy. Managing a national team is very different from coaching a club. Unlike club football, where coaches work with players every day, national team managers only get a few training sessions before international matches. Clubs will need to build strong relationship quickly, create clear tactical plans, and help players perform together despite having limited preparation time. Another challenge will be dealing with expectations. Germany is one of the most successful football nations in history, and its supporters always expect the team to compete for major trophies. Every decision Klopp makes, from selecting the squad to choosing tactics, will receive attention from fans and the media. There will be pressure to produce positive results from the very beginning. Despite these challenges, many football analysts believe Germany has made a smart long-term decision. Klopp has repeatedly shown throughout his career that he can rebuild teams, improve players, and create a winning environment. Those qualities could help Germany return to the level where they consistently compete with the strongest teams in the world. In my opinion, Germany has chosen one of the best managers available. Klopp has already proven that he can handle pressure, develop talented players, and build successful teams. If he is given enough time and support, he has the real opportunity to lead Germany into the new and exciting era. At the same time, fans should remember that building a national team does not happen overnight. Success takes patience, hard work, and consistent improvement. If everyone supports the process, Germany could once again become one of the strongest teams in international football. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Do you think Jurgen Klopp is the right choice to lead Germany? And can he lead the team back to winning major trophies? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.